Hi, welcome to Get Set Ma. Before we proceed, do not forget to click on that red subscribe button and switch on the bell notification so that you do not miss any update from us. So today we are very happy to have Pallavi with us. She is the founder of Superbottoms, one of the most popular cloth diapering brands in India. Pallavi, welcome to Get Set Ma.
Thank you, Rohini. Thank you for having me on Get Set Ma. I really love your channel, so I'm glad to be here.
Thank you. So today we are going to talk about modern cloth diapers, how to use and maintain them. A lot of new parents who get introduced to modern cloth diapers are actually scared to use them. They feel that they are very complicated and very cumbersome and they require a lot of maintenance. And today we are basically going to dispel all those myths, and Pallavi here is going to help us with that. So Pallavi, before we proceed, would you like to introduce our audience to what cloth diapers are? Like, give them a brief introduction about it.
Sure, Rohini. So, like you rightly said, a lot of times parents feel that cloth diapers will be a lot of maintenance and a lot of demand on their already super busy schedules. But contrary to that, cloth diapers are pretty simple.
Yeah.
So, just to give you a brief, cloth diaper. So, whenever a new parent is introduced to this entire world of diapering, they are introduced to two main types. One is the nappy or the langot, as they are called, and at the other end is the disposable diaper. Disposable diapers are, as you know, super convenient. They are dry feel, however they are full of chemicals.
Yeah.
And then there are the nappies, which are great because they are all cloth, but they are very messy and they are of course inconvenient. So what cloth diapers do is that they combine the best of both worlds. So you get all the convenience of disposable diapers, the dry feel, the longer absorbency, the waterproofing, but in the goodness of cloth. So it's a win-win situation because you get best of both worlds, and that's what modern cloth diapers essentially are.
Yeah. So actually, I totally agree with you. In my experience, so I cloth diapered Anupama from she was around 6 months old for almost 1.5 years, and it worked great for us. So I found the upkeep and the maintenance of cloth diapers to be manageable, and it was part of our daily wash routine. And the best part was that because they don't use any chemicals, so we had very few episodes of rash, and even in summers the sweat was not a problem because of using these cloth diapers. And it turned out so economical for us. Like, we just had to invest in few cloth diapers and then we were done. Like, we could use all the cloth diapers till the time she was potty trained. So it actually worked pretty great for us. So Pallavi, so let's get started.
Sure.
And please let our audience know about how to pick, use and maintain these cloth diapers.
Sure. So Rohini, the first thing with cloth diapers is to pick the right cloth diaper, right?
Yeah.
So this is how a typical cloth diaper looks, and it has these flaps like a disposable diaper where you close them, and they have sizing options in the front, so you can size them and fit perfectly to your baby. So what we always recommend a new parent is start somewhere. Just use one diaper, or so Superbottoms has a starter kit wherein we have the right diapers that you would need and everything you would need to start cloth diapering. So start there, and then you just proceed from there. But remember two things. One, cloth diapers will take some time for you to get used to, and there will be a learning curve. So reach out to the brands. Any good brand in India will have a helpline. Reach out to them, take their help, understand where you need help, and then just proceed. So don't give up, have patience. I think that's the most important thing with cloth diapering.
And what about the maintenance and use of those diapers?
So in terms of the washing cloth diapers is as simple as washing any dirty garment.
Correct.
So if you have a garment which has, say, mud on it, any muddy garment, what do? You first scrape off all the mud and remove the mud, and then you wash it like any normal garment, right? Same applies to a cloth diaper. So cloth diaper is basically a very dirty garment. So the first step is to knock off all the poop and pee. You can knock it off using water and a little amount of detergent if you want. Just knock off all the poop and pee. The second step is to wash it properly. You can wash it with your regular load of garments, agitate and rub it well. And the third step is to dry them. So you can dry them in the machine or you can light dry them. So it's pretty simple, just knock off poop, agitate and dry.
Yeah. So I think to summarize it, it is like washing any regular, say, a cotton fabric load. So you just like remove the dirt, which is poop in this case. Second is you just use the right detergent. So and I think it does not need any fancy detergent. That's the best part,
Exactly,
right? It's
yeah.
your regular powder detergent that you would use for your cotton fabrics. Same detergent you use over here for cloth diapers as well.
Exactly.
And then treat it as a regular load and put it in your machine. And then treat it as a regular load even while drying. You can just like line dry or spin dry.
Correct.
So this is for washing machine, but Pallavi, there are families who do not use washing machine for washing clothes, and they would prefer to wash clothes with hand.
Right.
So in that case, how is the maintenance of cloth diapers?
Rohini, so with hand washing, the steps remain the same. You know, you knock off the poop. The first step is knocking off the poop and pee.
Yeah.
The second step is agitation. So with hand washing, you have to be extra careful and just make sure that the diaper gets rubbed off well, so all the muck gets off.
Correct.
And the third step remains the same. You just line dry them.
Okay, so it's as simple. So again, just to summarize, it's like washing your regular load.
Exactly.
Yeah, just consider it as a dirty fabric.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Pallavi, so this is for your regular maintenance of cloth diapers. But you know, in modern urban life with busy schedule, like how do you have tips or tricks for parents so that they can still make cloth diapers a part of their daily routine without getting too hassle?
Right. So, Rohini, we have a lot of parents who cloth diaper their child even when they send the child to the daycare or even when they travel. Now, there are a few, things that you can do. One is that you can use liners. So, liners are these thin sheets of cloth, and you can place them on the diaper. So just place them on the diaper, and all the poo gets caught in this, so it's just easier to wash.
Right.
The second thing that you can do is have a good collection, which can keep you for 24 hours and take care of 24 hours of diapering for you. And when you are using them, you can use a wet bag to store the diapers once it is off the bum. And
So I just like to show our audience
Yeah.
what is a wet bag. So it's a cloth bag with a zipper, and it is waterproof, it is leak proof as well as odor proof.
Right.
So you can just like put your soiled diaper in this and like just zip it, and you can store it till you wash it.
yeah.
And Pallavi, so just when you talk about collection, you mean like like 3 or 5 or 6 diapers that your child would require at that stage
Yeah.
through the day, right?
Correct. Yeah.
Okay.
So enough to manage a 24-hour diapering cycle and wash them within once in 24 hours you run a cycle, and that's how you can keep it simple.
Yeah. So I would like to share my experience over here. So when we were cloth diapering Anupama, she would need an average of 3 to 5 diapers.
Right.
In a day. We would wash our load of diapers every 24 hours with our regular load. And my experience was I would take like less than a minute to knock off the poo or the pee, and then we would store it. So like you don't have to wash every diaper. You can just collect the diapers over the 24 hours, and then just like put it into the washing machine like your regular load. Use your regular detergent, run the right agitation like you would run for any regular or your cotton fabric load, and then we would just line dry it. So that was again my experience, and the upkeep was pretty nominal for us, because of which like even when I was traveling or when Anupama was going to daycare from a very young age, I could continue to cloth diaper her. Like there was some training required. Like at home, I had to train my help at home of how to knock off the poop and how to store the diapers. But and even at her daycare, I had to initially train them about using them, like how convenient they are. Like they are like just similar to your disposable diaper in terms of wearing and removing. And all they had to do was like just put the soiled diaper in the wet bag, close it, and send it back home.
Okay.
So because there was some training required, but overall the upkeep was nominal, and so it worked really very well for us in terms of they being economical, they being eco-friendly, and they being very safe for the baby's skin. No
Most
chemicals
important,
involved.
yeah.
Yeah, most important thing. So I think it worked pretty well for us, and I would like to share something like. If you are a part of a community of parents who cloth diaper their kids, it's a very open secret that all parents find it very therapeutic. Like they just love the entire process of buying using and maintaining cloth diapers, and that. What do you agree with that, Pallavi?
Absolutely. So we have cloth diaper addicts, as we call them. So yeah, so that happens. So you're warned.
So Pallavi, thank you so much for sharing all these valuable insights. I'm pretty sure parents who are planning to start on their modern cloth diapering journey, or who are already into it, will find these tips and tricks very useful.
Yeah, thank you, Rohini. Thank you for having me on Get Set Ma. It was quite a pleasure being here. And parents who are watching the video, please give cloth diapering a try. It is really a great option for your child. And if you need any help, we are just a call or a message away. Or you can leave your queries or questions or doubt in the comment section below, and we'll be very happy to answer them.
Yes, please don't forget to add your comments or any of your questions in the comment section below. Someone from Team Get Set Ma or from Team Superbottom would be more than happy to help you. I hope you like this video. Please give us a thumbs up by clicking on the like button, and please do share this video with parents who might be interested in starting their cloth diapering journey. Thank you and bye bye.
Bye.